I want to use Cramer's method to solve this simultaneous equation. Now, Gabriel Cramer was a Swiss mathematician, and he gave this formula. So first, uh, let me write the formula that he gave. He said, well, if you have a system of equation like this, with two unknowns, you can find x by finding dx over d, where dx is the determinant of x and d stands for determinant. I'll explain what this means, and this y you can find by dy over d. It's a ratio of dx over d, and y you can find as a ratio of dy over d. Now let me write this as a matrix. Okay, now what is a matrix? Matrix is numbers written in an order. Say here the numbers that you can see is 2, 4, 10. So this is called a row of numbers, and the next row that you can see is 2, 5, negative 2, negative 23. This is a matrix. This is a matrix. By convention, when you're writing matrix, you count how many rows and how many columns. You've got 2 rows and 3 columns. So this is how you write a matrix of 2 by 3. This is a matrix of 2 by 3. 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay, now from matrix, we're going to find the determinant. So let me write first D. The determinant D is, you write with a line. Determinant D is the numbers associated with x and y. So you write 2, 4, and 5, negative 2. So this is not determinant yet. This is in a vector form. Okay, so determinant of, we want to find the determinant of this. So dx you write like this. You don't write the coefficient of x, you leave that blank, and you write the coefficient of y, which is 4, negative 2. And in place of the coefficient of x, you write the constant, which is 10 comma negative 23. You'll not understand what I'm doing now, but just you have to go through the motion. So dy is equal to the determinant of, you don't write the coefficients of y, you write the coefficient of x where it is, that is 2, 5, and in place of y you write the constant 10 comma negative 23. This is how you write the to find the determinant, you write like this. So let me go over this again. So what we did is 2, 5, 2, 5, 4, negative 2. That is the determinant which will come in the denominator. Dx is, you don't write the coefficient of x, you leave it blank, and you write the coefficient of y, which is 4, negative 2. And in place of the coefficient of x, you write the constant 10, negative 23. And for dy, you write the coefficient of x, and you don't write the coefficient of y. In place of coefficient of y, you write the constant. And this is how you find the determinant. This is some algorithm you need to remember. You multiply like this. You multiply this 2, and then you take away the product of this 2. So let me write like this. So this is 2 times negative 2. Take away 5 times 4. Okay, so let me simplify this. So this is how much? This is negative 4, take away 20, which is minus 24. So the determinant of this 2 by 2 matrix, you can say, is minus 24, negative 24. Okay, so let me do the working for dx would be, again cross multiply like this, take away this product. So 10 times, so let me write like this, 10 times negative 2, take away negative 23 times 4. Negative 23 times 4. So let's work this out. So this is how much? This is minus 20 plus, so 23 times 4 is 92. Am I right? So this is, so you can say dx is 72, is plus 72. Okay, and finally dy, do the same process, cross multiply this two, you multiply, take away this two, so this is 2 times negative 23, take away 5 times 10, so this is minus 46 minus 50. So your dy, determinant of y, is minus 96. The process is initially tedious. If you do one mistake, the whole thing will be wrong. So let's use the formula. So dx, x would be dx over d. What is dx? That's negative 24 over dx is not negative 24, so you have to be careful. Dx is 72 over negative 24. So this goes 12 goes in 72 how many times? 6 times. 12 goes in this minus 2 times. And so your final answer is negative 3. We'll confirm this answer. And this would be dy, that is minus 96 over minus 24. So this minus and minus becomes plus. 12 goes in 96 8 times. 2 goes in ones, 2 goes in 4. So your y is 4. So your x, we can say x is, so you can write the solution like this. Your solution is negative 3 comma 4. So this is your solution. Now just to show you how the calculator works, it is based on determinants. Okay, that's why this is very useful later on. Those who want to do maths later on, that's how calculator works the equation. If you go to simultaneous and if you type in 2, so this is a system of 2 linear equations. So this is 2, 4, and can you see this is a matrix 10, and the second row is 5, negative 2, and negative 23. And then if you go to solve, this is how you write x is negative 3 and y is negative 4. And you can also put this back and check whether the answer makes sense. So let's check in one of the, if you put it here, 2 times negative 3 is negative 6 plus 16 is equal to 10. How do we get 16? 4 times 4 is 16. So if you put it here, so 5 times negative 3 is negative 15. Negative 15 minus 8 is minus 23. So both is equation satisfied.